Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Pause for a moment and consider the potential earnings you could have made by being productive. However, if you're someone who prefers to unwind and relax by scrolling through your phone and watching online videos, then listen up. What if I told you that you could actually earn a substantial amount of money by doing just that? Money in as little as 30 minutes. All you need to do is click on a video, press play, watch for 10 seconds, and voila, you've earned some cash. This method is perfect for beginners with no prior experience because it requires no special skills or knowledge. What's even better is that it's completely free and doesn't involve any charges, investments, or payments of any kind. Plus, it's widely available and can be accessed from any device, anywhere in the world. To start making money using this hot and cutting-edge strategy, all you need is a device, whether it's your trusty laptop or handy phone, and a reliable internet connection. The best part, you can repeat this method as many times as you want to earn an endless amount of money. It all sounds great, doesn't it? To get started, simply watch this video until the end and make sure not to skip any parts so you can fully understand the process. I'll walk you through everything you need to do, including how to register for a free account and some tips, tricks, and ideas on which videos will earn you the most money. So stick with me until the end, as I'll be showing you each step in complete detail. First up is swingbox.com, the website I'll be demonstrating. As you can see on their homepage, they pay you every 15 seconds and are a trusted, sustainable platform. As you scroll down, you'll discover the various ways to earn money on this site. You have a range of options to earn money on this site, including viewing ads, joining Clicks Grid, watching videos, completing offers, and becoming an affiliate. However, as this video focuses on earning money by watching videos, we'll concentrate on the view ads and watch videos categories. I'll show you how to select an advertisement and watch it for 10 seconds to earn money repeatedly. The opportunities for earning are virtually limitless since you can repeat this method as many times as you want. This is how people from all over the world earn big bucks. So stay tuned for more tips to help you along the way. Before we get started with the money-making process, please make sure to give me your undivided attention and listen carefully to everything I say. Most importantly, stick with me until the end of this video. If you don't, I hate to break it to you, but you're likely to fail. However, since you're here and committed to watching until the end, I'm confident that you'll be very satisfied with the results. First and foremost, let's start with signing up, which is the first step. In the middle of the homepage, you'll find a button that says register. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter basic information about yourself, such as your full name, username, password, and email address. Confirm your information on the fields provided. After filling in your general information, the next step is to input your payment account information by typing in your PayPal account details on the fields provided, such as perfect money and pay year. Now that you've shared your payment information, they'll know where to send you the money, which moves us to the next step, which is the image verification. Simply check the box that says "I'm not a robot," and then agree to the Swingbox rules by ticking on the box provided. All you have to do now is hit the register button and you're done with the first step. Moving on to step number 2, you can now view a wide array of videos or advertisements embedded across the webpage following your successful registration. Now that you have access to a wide variety of videos, you can start earning money. However, it's not as simple as just watching any video. Many people fail to earn a substantial amount of money because they don't know which videos to watch and which companies to focus on. But don't worry, you're in luck because you stumbled upon this video. I have a valuable tip for you: focus on watching micro ads. Micro ads are incredibly effective for making money. All you need to do is watch a short 10-second video and then a normal video will automatically play for you. You don't have to do anything at all during the normal video, just let it play until the next ad appears on your screen. Repeat this process and watch your earnings grow. So don't exit this video just yet, as I have more tips to share with you. Once you've hit play on the video, there's no need to put in any effort at all. Before we move on, I want to give you some time to show your appreciation for the video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. If you're still here, then that's fantastic because I have another valuable tip to make your life easier. It's a bit of a secret, so listen carefully. You can significantly increase your income by opening opening as many browsers as possible on as many devices as you have. If you have access to a computer, laptop, tablet, and phone, I highly recommend using all of them simultaneously to open videos on Swingbox. By doing so, you can maximize your earnings since more videos will play, giving you more chances for advertisements to spawn and appear in the viewed videos. It's important to note that every single video on Swingbox is guaranteed to have at least one ad, but you may be lucky enough to have up to 4 ads in a single video. This means that by utilizing all the devices in your arsenal, you can potentially have 4 ads spawning from each video on all your devices. Just think of all the possibilities this presents for you to increase your income. By following this tip, you can multiply your earnings in a much faster way, giving you more financial freedom and flexibility. So take advantage of this opportunity and start opening videos on multiple devices to maximize your income potential. If you're looking to make money quickly, following the tip I mentioned earlier can be a game changer. However, you might be wondering how overwhelming it can get when there are numerous videos playing simultaneously. But don't worry, I have another bonus tip for you. You don't have to listen to the videos or ads while they play. Simply turn down the volume and let your device do the work while you enjoy doing something else that you love. Whether it's reading a book, doing your chores, sleeping, singing a song, or dancing to music, you can make money effortlessly in the background. It can't get any better than that, can it? Overall, the money-making strategy of watching videos is a smooth ride, especially with the steps, ideas, and tips I've shared with you. By using multiple devices, opening multiple browsers, and turning down the volume, you can significantly increase your earnings without putting in too much effort. So start implementing these tips today and watch as your income grows at an impressive rate. With a bit of dedication and consistency, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with making money from home. Are you ready for another fantastic method to earn big bucks effortlessly? Well, hold on tight because I have just the thing for you. The best part is, it only requires a few clicks and a bit of waiting. Let me introduce you to SwingGrid Clone. With SwingGrid Clone, all you have to do is click on any box on the page, and you'll be redirected to a sponsors page that corresponds to the box you clicked on. Once you're on the sponsors page, stay there for around 10 seconds, and you'll instantly receive $5 in your account. It's that simple. You won't even break a sweat while doing this. The best part is that you can repeat this process over and over again. Since the grid refreshes every day, you can go back to the page and click on as many boxes as you want. Each time you visit a website through this method, you earn an instant $5. This premier and highly effective strategy is a surefire way to make more money online. Plus, you can invite your friends to join in on the fun and earn even more money together. So, what are you waiting for? Start clicking those boxes and watch your earnings soar. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can all earn more money together. That's all for this video. But if you enjoyed this one, I recommend checking out these 2 videos right here. Trust me, you won't regret it.